Hello, this is a tutorial on how to create a simple walk sequence using Animaker. Animaker is a cloud-based software. It does have a free version for education and can be downloaded for Windows or for Mac. So we're going to start here with a blank project. We're going to choose Use. And it's going to open up our workspace. Once our workspace gets loaded, we'll be able to choose what background and what character we want to use. This is some brief information if you choose to watch it, some helpful tips. But this is the area of our untitled project here. We're going to start by going over here on the right and choosing a background. There's also different options for you to add text, numbers, special effects, music, and you can also upload your own pictures. But we're going to choose this desert background. We're just going to click it and it's there in our workspace. And then now we need to choose a character. And I'm going to choose this mummy. And I'm going to go ahead and move my mummy over to the right side of the screen because that's where I want to start. Now if you look over here on the left, these are different properties for your character. And I'm going to choose the mummy walking. And then I'm going to look here, this is called the item menu, and I want to choose the multi-move option, so I'm going to click that. And I'm going to click start. I'm going to put my cursor on my character and drag it and place it on the screen where I want. And I'm real careful because I want to keep the mummy on the sand as much as possible. So I'm going to drag it all the way over to the cactus. And I'm going to choose Add Pin. Now if you look on your timeline, you now have 2 pins on your timeline. The first pin indicates the starting point for the character. The second pin indicates the ending point. The further your pins are, the slower your character will walk. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this second pin all the way over to 10. And I'm going to choose play. And I'm going to watch my character very slowly walk over to the cactus. Alright, now that I've got him on this side of the screen, I do want him to walk back, so I'm going to add a scene. I'm going to do that by choosing this, and I'm going to go back and choose the desert again. Choose my mummy. I'm going to put it here by the cactus. I'm going to flip it around since we're going the other way. I'm going to click and enable the properties and make sure that he's going to be walking. He's a little on the cactus there, so I'm going to move him over just a little. I'm going to choose multi-move, start. And I'm going to drag him back over to the right side of the screen.